Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit your text and image settings on Discord. So first we are going to select user settings here, and you are going to select text and images under app setting. Here you can adjust the display images, videos, and I don't know what lolcats are. You can also enable image descriptions here, and you can also not automatic convert emoticons in your messages to emoji. So if you turn this off and get into a server and type this emoji, it's not going to create an emoji. It's just going to create a simple smiley face. And they also have other settings as well, like sticker suggestions. When you're typing a message, you can turn that off, and spoiler content as well. So this controls when spoiler content is displayed, so I enable it as on click. If I press it as always, I'm able to see the content that is displayed. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!